Now, you can seamlessly integrate Empuls directly into MS Teams, where work already takes place. This can be accomplished through collaboration with your IT team. Once the integration is set up, the Empuls app will appear in the left-hand side navigation within MS Teams. You can also customize the app's name and logo to match your recognition program's branding. This integration allows employees to access Empuls natively in MS Teams, enabling them to recognize achievements or redeem points without needing to switch platforms or open a new browser tab. Employees can view their feed, see organizational spotlights, attend to any high-priority actions, join in celebrations, and send wishes to colleagues, all from within the MS Teams app. Additionally, employees can access leaderboards configured in the organization, respond to pending surveys or quizzes, and explore the employee discount or perks programs, all from within the app itself. The Wall of Fame is now also visible within MS Teams. Admins have the ability to view reports and insights directly through the MS Teams app and can manage various settings such as message configuration, adding new users, syncing profile pictures, and overseeing awards and core values from the MS Teams interface. There's also a chat integration, featuring a chatbot within the MS Teams workspace. This bot will notify employees about awards, announcements, or any notifications relevant to their close circle. From the chat interface, employees can appreciate colleagues, redeem rewards, or manage their pending action items, all without leaving the chat.